Life is a mirror. You get back exactly what you put into it. Hello positive peeps, it's me Lori, your positivity princess. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I'm here spreading happiness, positivity, and love. Did you ever notice how many metaphors are used to explain life? Why? Why is life described with so many intricate, complicated metaphors, similes, comparisons, examples, analogies, and even riddles sometimes? Understanding life helps you to recognize and harness your own power to make your dreams come true. So I ask you, why can't we just be clear and straightforward when we talk about life? Here are a few mirror metaphors for life. So we have one by Ernest Holmes. Life is a mirror and will reflect back to the thinker what he thinks into it. According to a peace pilgrim, the quote goes, "Life is like a mirror. Smile at it and it smiles back." How I love that one. It's so true. The vibrational match of what you put out is attracted back to you. And a smile is the quickest and easiest way to demonstrate this. If you try this, if you walk down the street and you smile at someone randomly, just watch how quickly that smile just watch how that smile just sort of teleports or automatically takes over their lips. Napoleon Hill said, "Life is a mirror of your consistent thoughts." How true is this? According to Abraham Hicks, a belief is just a thought that you think for a long time. And a belief leads to your perception of reality, right? The last example is by Wally Amos. I love this one. Here goes. Life is just a mirror, and what you see out there, you must see inside of you. The meaning of this is related to the golden rule. You treat others how you want to be treated. Be the example of the good or the change that you want to see in the world. A mirror, just like life itself, can only give you back what you put in front of it. If you put a happy person, excited for the day that awaits them, in front of that mirror, life will give you or reflect back to you the results of that happy, excited, charismatic person. If you put the opposite in front of that mirror, that's what you get. That's the law of attraction. To put this to use, go into every situation, every day, every event with a smile on your face, love in your heart, and excitement in your soul. Expect the best and believe in yourself. I sincerely hope that this video resonated with you. Tomorrow I'll show you how life is similar to
a roller coaster.
It's actually very eye-opening, and it blew my mind a little. Okay. Sending love and light to you all. Leave a comment below of your favorite life is metaphor. Click that subscribe button and that bell, as I will be releasing a new video every day this week and all through August. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely day. And be positive. I love you guys. Life is just a mirror, and what you see out... Oh my God, Lori, just read it. Hey, every smile on every day. So sending love, light,